Another look at one of 3 live webcams available on the swirlnet.com website. These are located over there on the coastal area of WA. Tropical low over the North Kimberley should move off the northwest Kimberley coast sometime today. This is AWST 96S. Cyclone Watch is now in place for Kuri Bay, Wallal Downs, including Broome. And a significant risk of a severe tropical cyclone impacting northern WA. Welcome to a tropical weather bulletin update for Force 13. And as mentioned, a Cyclone Watch is now in place. Tropical low, sustained winds in a centre of 30 kilometres per hour with wind gusts to 85 kilometres per hour. AWST 96 is located within 110 kilometres of 15.9 degrees south, 126.1 degrees east, estimated to be 220 kilometres west southwest of Wyndham, 190 kilometres south southwest of Kalumburu. Movement at this point in time is southwest, 13 kilometres an hour. And AWST 96 will track offshore and it's expected to strengthen over open water. The system only has to be about 50 miles offshore and should reach tropical cyclone status sometime Wednesday or Thursday. Now here's a look at the floaters on AWST 96S. These were recorded around 2000 hours Queensland time. We will continue to bring the latest information when it becomes available. Nathan, Jason and I appreciate the support to the channel and Tropical Tidbits tracks. This is a GPS model. And a welcome to those who have recently subscribed to the AU channel. And here's another look at the sea surface temperature, and note the scale on the right hand side of the screen, and more importantly the pink area where AWST 96S is located. Here's the Bureau of Meteorology's first cyclone chart, and look at that, a category 3 system. Could even reach category 4. Time will tell. Now we look at the UK model for the tropical low Christmas Island region. The Canadian has it tracking towards the WA coast. Now we look at the Navy's NAF gem on Invest 96S. And here's the CMC, the Canadian model, the GFS, and the UK Met. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre has Invest 96, the yellow ring as a low, but there's no doubt they'll probably upgrade to either medium or high, which is in the red. Now for Invest 96S, the upper level divergence above it is very healthy. It's at least 40 knots. Here's the wind shear. The red is unfavourable, yellow is neutral, green is the other. The 24-hour shear tendency. And look at that area in blue, one of my favourites, the 50 millibar vorticity. And you can see where the outgoing tropical cyclone Irving is located. The Himawari 8 satellite view of Australia's western region out there into the South Indian. Now we have a close look at the instability across the next 22-23 hours. And again, northwest, northern WA coast, the top end, and storms again possible for New South Wales. Now we look at storm values. Correction, this is rainfall, and the values are bottom of the screen. And the black squares is low pressure values. Now we look at the latest 12-hourly rainfall for the WA region, the BI meteorology. The BI's total forecast of rain, and again look at that area in pink and purple. There's no doubt that the WA Bureau will issue additional advisories, probably see a flood watch, severe weather run. Now this is the wind model, it's a GFS model, and this is out to 2300 hours tomorrow. The values are at the bottom of the screen, and you can definitely see how Invest 96 is developing. And the birds are going crazy outside my HQ. You can probably hear them in the background.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.